Reflect in English podcast.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our podcast. I'm so happy you are here with us today. This is your English learning time, and we will practice together in a fun and simple way. Today's topic is English at the restaurant. When you travel, when you meet friends, or when you want to try new food, you often go to a restaurant. So today, we will help you feel confident when you speak English at a restaurant.
Hi, everyone. Going to a restaurant is something we all do, but sometimes it can feel scary to speak English there. You may worry, what do I say? What if I don't understand the waiter? What if I want to ask for something special? Don't worry. Today, we will show you step by step. We will act like we are in a restaurant, and you can listen and practice with us.
Great! Let's imagine we are walking into a restaurant. The first thing you may hear is, hello, welcome. The staff may ask, how many people? That means they want to know how many people are in your group. For example, you can say, table for 2, please, or table for 1, please.
Yes, that's very common. Let's practice. I will be the host at the restaurant. Hello, welcome. How many people?
Table for 2, please.
Sure, please follow me. Very easy, right? Please follow me means you can walk behind the staff member to your table.
When you sit down, the waiter may give you a menu. The waiter might say, here is the menu, or here are your menus. Then they may say, can I get you something to drink? That means they want to know what you want to drink.
Drinks are usually the first order. For example, you can say, I'd like a glass of water, please, or I'd like a cup of tea. You can also say, can I have a coffee? These are polite and simple sentences.
Yes, I'd like is short for I would like. It sounds polite. For example, I'd like some orange juice, or I'd like a soda. If you only want water, you can say, just water is fine, thank you.
Sometimes the waiter will ask, still or sparkling water? Still water has no bubbles. Sparkling water has bubbles. If you don't know the word sparkling, don't worry. You can say, no bubbles, please, or with bubbles, please.
Good tip. Now let's imagine the waiter comes back and asks, are you ready to order? If you need more time, you can say, not yet, please, or can we have a few more minutes? That means you are not ready.
Yes, take your time. Read the menu. The menu often has sections like starters, main dishes, and desserts. A starter is the first small dish. The main dish is the big dish. Dessert is something sweet at the end.
Let's practice ordering food. The waiter says, are you ready to order? I will answer, yes, I am. I'd like the chicken soup to start and the grilled fish for my main dish.
Very good. That is clear and polite. You can also say, I'll have the beef burger. I'll have is also common. For example, I'll have the pasta, please, or I'll have the salad.
What if you have a question about the food? You can ask, what do you recommend? That means you are asking for advice. Or you can say, what is this dish? If you don't understand something on the menu, it is okay to ask.
Yes, don't be shy. You can also ask about ingredients. For example, does this have nuts? Or is this spicy? If you cannot eat certain foods, you can say, I'm allergic to peanuts, or I don't eat meat.
That is very important. If you are vegetarian, you can say, I'm vegetarian. Do you have vegetarian dishes? If you don't eat dairy, you can say, does this have milk or cheese?
Let's make a short role play. I'm the waiter. Are you ready to order?
Yes, I'd like the tomato soup, please.
And for your main dish?
I'll have the vegetable pasta.
Would you like anything to drink?
Yes, I'd like a glass of apple juice, please.
Perfect. That is a full order. Very clear and simple.
Now, let's talk about special requests. Maybe you don't like onions. You can say, no onions, please. Or maybe you want less salt. You can say, can you make it less salty? Keep your sentences short and polite.
Sometimes after you order, you just wait and enjoy the time. When the food comes, the waiter may say, enjoy your meal. You can reply, thank you. That is friendly and polite.
If everything is good, you don't need to say much. But if there is a problem, you can speak politely. For example, excuse me, this is cold. Or, excuse me, I ordered chicken, but this is beef.
Yes, use excuse me first. It sounds polite. For example, excuse me, can I get some more water? Or, excuse me, we don't have forks. Simple and clear.
Let's imagine there is a small problem. I will be the customer. Excuse me, this soup is cold.
I'm sorry about that. I will bring you a new one. See, most restaurants want to help you. Don't feel afraid to speak.
Now let's talk about dessert. After you finish your main dish, the waiter may ask, would you like some dessert? If you want something sweet, you can say, yes, I'd like the chocolate cake, or can I see the dessert menu?
If you are full, you can say, no thank you, I'm full. Or, just the bill, please. The bill is the paper that shows how much money you need to pay. In some places, people say check instead of bill.
Yes, you can say, can we have the bill, please? That is very common. After you get the bill, you can pay by cash or card. You can say, can I pay by card? Or do you take credit cards?
If you are paying in cash, you can give the money and say, here you are. When the waiter gives you change, you can say, thank you. Very simple and polite.
In some countries, people give a tip. A tip is extra money for good service. If you want to leave a tip, you can just leave some money on the table or add it when you pay by card.
Now, let's do a longer role play from start to finish. Imagine you are listening and repeating after us.
Hello, table for two, please?
Of course, please follow me.
Thank you.
Here are your menus. Can I get you something to drink?
Yes, I'd like a glass of water, please.
Still or sparkling?
Still, please.
And for you?
I'd like a cup of tea.
Sure, I'll be back in a few minutes.
Thank you.
Are you ready to order?
Yes, I'd like the green salad to start.
And your main dish?
I'll have the grilled chicken with rice.
How would you like your chicken? Spicy or not spicy?
Not spicy, please.
No problem.
And can I have no onions?
Of course.
Thank you.
Enjoy your meal.
Thank you.
Would you like some dessert?
Yes, I'd like the ice cream.
Vanilla or chocolate?
Chocolate, please.
Sure.
Can we have the bill, please?
Here you are.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, you can.
Thank you very much.
Have a nice day.
You too.
That is a full restaurant conversation. If you can understand this, you are doing great.
Let's review some key sentences. Table for two, please. I'd like. I'll have. Can I have? Excuse me. Can we have the bill, please? These are very useful sentences.
Practice saying them out loud. Speaking is important. You can pause this podcast and repeat after us.
You don't need long sentences. Short and clear is perfect. For example, water, please. No sugar, please. More time, please. Simple English works.
And always use please and thank you. These small words make a big difference. They show respect and kindness.
Imagine the waiter says, how would you like your steak? What can you say? You can say, medium, please, or well done, please, or rare, please. These are ways to cook steak.
Another question. The waiter says, anything else? You can answer, no, that's all, thank you. Or, yes, can I get some bread? Very easy.
We hope this episode helps you feel ready and confident at a restaurant. Next time you travel or eat out, try these sentences.
Yes, speak slowly. Most people will understand you, and they will be happy to help you.
Thank you so much for listening today.
We are proud of you for learning and improving. See you in the next episode.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye, and enjoy your next meal in English.